You can't have dandruff. Have you seen a Kerala girl having any skin disease? You can't have it. Even the serious skin diseases I have treated with coconut oil. Coconut oil is saturated fat. Others are not saturated fat. So saturated fat is bad. This is called the Jati system, how divide people in, you are a Brahmin, you are a Shudra, you are this, you are that. Oh, mother's milk and coconut oil to get digested. Sodium monolaurate is monolauric acid, which is the basis of the human immune system. And I was surprised, people were saying coconut oil is a poison and should not. I said, look, what is this you're talking about? There's a coconut oil as cholesterol. Of course, if a doctor says coconut oil is cholesterol, he has not gone to the medical college at all. Because the first thing we teach in biochemistry is cholesterol comes from an animal source. How can vegetarian think of cholesterol? Then they realized that they started changing it. Coconut oil is saturated fat. Others are not saturated fat. So saturated fat is bad. This is called the Jati system, how divide people in, you are a Brahmin, you are a Shudra, you are this, you are that. That doesn't exist. What is the fatty acid in coconut oil is the question. What is the fatty acid in mother's milk is the question. They are the same. Both are sodium monolaurate. Sodium monolaurate is monolauric acid, which is the basis of the human immune system. So if you don't have a mother's milk, if you have to have food, even in America, the infant food has the base of coconut oil. Now Americans are saying, we are sorry, by doing propaganda against coconut oil, we have killed millions of people in the world. Coconut oil is a treatment. And the latest thing is, coconut oil is a treatment for Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease. Because coconut oil gets digested in the mouth itself. It doesn't have to go to the gut. Only two things get digested in the mouth, coconut oil and mother's milk. And that's why an infant can't take any other oil, because it doesn't have pancreatic lipase at that age, in the first year. So mother's milk and coconut oil get digested. Now coconut oil gets digested in the mouth and gets converted into ketones. And a brain cell which is damaged can live on ketones but not on glucose. That is why Alzheimer's disease, people lose their memory because brain cells die. Now if you take coconut oil, brain cells don't die, and even if they are dying, they will get rejuvenated. And there are reports of patients being treated with Alzheimer's disease with coconut oil. So take nature's, why is coconut there? It's called kalpa vriksha. What is kalpa? Not even a century. Not even all the centuries. Not even Treta Yuga. All times to come. It's a kalpa, the whole thing. Vriksha. The only thing. Tell me one part of coconut tree which is not useful, which is not biodegradable. Have you seen Kerala girls? Have you seen any Kerala girl who is in Kerala using what they use? Dandruff? You can't have dandruff. Have you seen a Kerala girl having any skin disease? You can't have it. Even the serious skin diseases I have treated with coconut oil. One of my colleagues, who is a professor of neurology, had a peculiar infection in his thigh. And one day he was talking, I said, look, apply a little coconut oil, I say, it will go. He said, what are you talking? I am a scientist. I don't think it's coconut oil, and the smell, I don't like it now. I said, okay. He went to the dermatologist who was our student. That fellow said, sir, we'll do a biopsy. He did a biopsy. Biopsy showed nothing, but this whole thing got infected. The whole thing became pus. And at that stage, he was crying. Then I said, look, even now coconut oil will help you. And coconut oil helped him. Completely gone. I got photographs. Then he said, you're a good thing. I am a patient. You report this case. I said, fine. After about a month, I said, I am reporting this case. Now give me permission. He said, oh, no, I don't like their coconut oil. I've forgotten about it. His thing is gone. See, this is our attitude. This is our attitude which I don't like.